Apples are a delicious and nutritious fruit that offers a range of health benefits. Here are some of the top benefits of eating apples. Apples are rich in fiber, which can help promote digestive health and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Apples are packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants, which can support overall health and help prevent chronic diseases. Apples may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Eating apples may also help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Finally, apples are a low-calorie, portable snack that can help you maintain a healthy weight and stay energized throughout the day.